Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Introduction to Internet of Things. Here I am going to discuss the significance of Raspberry Pi in IoT. Let's understand the fundamentals of Raspberry Pi which is used in IoT. So what is Raspberry Pi? It's basically a mini computer. Is OS operating system present in Raspberry Pi? Of course, yes, operating system is present. But in case of Arduino, like they don't have any operating system. So what kind of operating system is present in like a Raspberry Pi? It's actually Linux operating system. So why Raspberry Pi is required? Complex processing. First of all, anyway, Arduino can be used, even Raspberry Pi can be used. Now, depending on the complexity, you need to select whether Arduino can be adopted or Raspberry Pi can be implemented. You can have a review and go ahead. Okay, so let me have a brief discussion. It's a mini computer. It has OS. The difference between Arduino and Raspberry Pi is given below. Arduino is for simple control, there is no operating system, where Raspberry Pi is a complex, it handles complex tasks as well as operating system present here. So Python in IoT, which is used for data processing and automation, we need to learn the Python also. Following terminologies are most important. What is CPU? Central Processing Unit. What is GPU? Graphic Processing Unit. What is OS? OS abbreviation stand for Operating System. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read-Only Memory. SD card means Secure Digital Card. Kindly remember the formula. What is, remember the abbreviation. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. Okay. So try to follow, learn the match the following questions, which will be very important for your placement, NPTEL exam, etc. So Arduino, like column A and column B, we have to match each other. So Arduino, it's a microcontroller. Raspberry Pi OS based. Similarly, GPIO, it is input output. PWM, signal control. So try to learn. Arduino is a microcontroller. Raspberry Pi uses operating system. Raspberry Pi has computer. GPIO stand for general purpose input output. Arduino uses no operating system. PWM used for voltage control. Analog pin read continuous value. Digital pins read binary values. Raspberry Pi used for complex task. ADC convert analog to digital. Also, kindly go through these important questions they assign. Like NPTEL team assign like these questions as an assignment. So kindly discuss accordingly. So what is the output of the following Python snippet? So X is a given string. So print X, then from 2 to 4, it's an indexing actually. You should know about indexing. So here first of all, T stand for 0. This is 1. Okay, this is my 2, and this is my 3, then 4. Like that, a counting will be done. So if I go for like a 2, so second position will be accepted. What is second position? I is the second position. Then third will be printed. Third also will be printed. But fourth onwards, it will be excluded. So what is the right answer? Right answer is A. A is the right answer. Kindly select the option A. So you should have a basics of Python. List, you might have remembered about list operation, list operation and list methods. What is the purpose of try except block? It's a exception handling. So you can go for option C. Option C is the right answer. Which is the following specific requirement in Python for defining the code blocks such as if else statement or loops that distinguishes it from many programming languages. So the thing is, it follows very rigid indentation policy to indicate the different blocks of code. So Python indentation is very important. So if you are not following indentation, spacing, proper spacing, you definitely will be getting so many errors. Indentation error you will be receiving. When the setting up of UDIP client server network in Python, which is critical that both the clients and the server uses the same port number. So the right answer is to ensure the client sends the data to the exact endpoint where the server is listening. So option C is the right answer. Okay, kindly check out option C. When using Python open function, what happens if you open file W write mode that does not already exist? So it automatically create the file. So go for option B. It automatically creates the file. That is the right answer. Okay, kindly check out the right answer. Similarly, which of the following files mode is specially mentioned to open the file for both reading and writing operations in Python? You can go for option C. Option C is the right answer. Go for R plus. Okay, R plus. It will perform both read and write mode. Which command is used to expand the file system in Raspberry Pi to cover the entire memory card after the fresh installation? So you can go for Studio Raspi configuration. So please check out option C. Studio Raspberry configuration. C is the right answer. Okay, kindly check out the right answer. What is advantage does the Raspberry Pi 3 have over the Raspberry Pi 0 in terms of connectivity? So kindly check out the right answer. So we have the several features. In that several features, we identify that Raspberry Pi 3 has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, where Pi 0 does not have them. So that's a advantages of Pi 3, Raspberry Pi 3. Okay. So go for Raspberry Pi 3 if you need more feature. Which is specific software is recommended for Windows-based system to write the Raspberry Pi operating system image onto memory card. So we can go for Win32 disk imager. Okay. So specific software recommended for Windows-based system to write the Raspberry Pi operating system image onto memory card. So Win32 disk manager is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. So moving on to further discussion. When connecting to the Raspberry Pi camera module to Raspberry Pi using the ribbon cable, which direction should the blue tag on the cable face? So once again, I will read. While connecting the Raspberry Pi camera module to Raspberry Pi using the ribbon cable, which direction should the blue tag on the cable face? It towards the HDMI port. Option A is the correct answer. HDMI port. So which command does lecture recommended using the terminal to capture the image directly with the Raspberry Pi camera without writing the full Python script? So you can go for this particular command. Raspi still image name JPEG. Okay, JPG. So option B is the right answer. Go for this like a particular code. Okay, particular script you can check out. In the Python code shown blinking LED project, what is the purpose of line GPIO set mode GPIO board? The purpose is to specify that pin numbering will follow the physical board layout. Option C is the correct answer. Go for option C to specify that pin numbering will follow the physical layout. So kindly check option C. Option C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following commands is used to install the Adafruit DST library in Raspberry Pi after navigating to the folder? So the right answer is sudo python setup pi install. This is the right answer. You can check out this answer. Okay, this is the right answer. B option B is the correct answer. Sudo python. So which is used Adafruit DST library in Raspberry Pi after navigating the folder. This particular option is the correct answer. Okay. Next, which pin numbering configuration does the Adafruit DST library automatically use for sensor requiring the user specifically pin number accordingly? The right answer is Broadcom SoC channel. Okay, you kindly check out BCM board uh, Broadcom Broadcom SoC channel BCM. Short form is BCM. In a DST sensor, ground is connected to this pin number DST sensor. Remember, in DST sensor, the ground is connected to pin number 4. Pin number 4 is the right answer. Very simple questions. Okay, directly you can map with option D. Option D is the correct answer. So likewise, also you can get the simple questions in the placement examination and NPTEL examination. So happy learning. If you kindly go through these important questions, especially Adafruit DST library, then uh, some typical command, typical command for certain purpose. Okay, so kindly go through these important comments and important questions. Okay, definitely you can get the right answer. Also study some Python, basic fundamentals of Python. Okay. List also you can go through it. List. Okay. What is the meaning of list? Apart from that, basic questions. These are the basic questions that will improve the basic knowledge. Even some abbreviations which are important for your exam point of view. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, use the comment box. I will revert. Happy learning. Wishing you all the very best. Last but not least, kindly subscribe our channel for getting the similar kind of videos. Even kindly share the video with those who are preparing for examination. Thank you.